Good morning, everybody. This is sound check. This computer camera, as far as I know, does not have a mic, like, a little readout on the sound coming in. So it was brought to my attention that no one could hear anything. And I have done a few sound checks this, last year, within the last 3 or 4 months. And the biggest problem I had was the mic went off. So, anyways, I don't think the mic is off. I don't want to check it because it'll stop the video. So this is sound check 1. And check in. I need to look at sound check 1 and Monday morning check in. I need to look at Washington State. I need to call them about midwifery for my clinic, for my credential. It's kind of the same thing, and I need to look at some programs and make sure that when I document my personal self, oh shoot, I just shut this thing down, lends a lot of money to my business, and I need to make sure that any money that goes to my personal account to pay the bills for my business, that when I pay myself back, that I make sure to document that really well. So I need a system for just the finance, not just the money that comes in through the business, but the money that comes in from me because the business is not supporting itself. And also other people lending money. It needs to be able to be drawn out really fast instead of me going through years of paperwork. And the transactions that I need to prove for one of my applications for Maryland, they want all the transactions of money, but this is the thing, they're gonna want to see something from 2015, all of my information on my bank account statement, my rent, what stores, what restaurants I went to, what checks I received, like, from my personal account. It's bad enough they want to look at your business account, but it's like, I feel like draw the line somewhere, like the same when you get services and they look that up. So let's look at Washington State. And let's see what brought up. Somebody must have paid for a good SEO. Oh yeah, this one test has to be 100% pass. One of these tests, like 100% pass, 100%. That's really intimidating. You should at least. That's really. I'm gonna call them. I think I tried this before my adventures and I wasn't able to get through. So it says you need to graduate from a MEEC school, have a current CPM or a trainee permit, or graduate from an international school. So I graduated from a different school. So they increased. Now it's like, okay, 50 observers, manage 50 births, 30 as a primary attendant, 20 as an active assistant. It used to be 25 as a primary, so they increased all of this. Alright, I'm gonna call them. So this is my check-in one. I'm gonna call them. It's 9:25 a.m. and I'm really I'm really upset that this has to come to this. Now, I think if I would have done this a few years ago, I feel like I would have been grandfathered into a program that was more direct. It's hard when you're already a midwife and you're trying to get another state midwife, but you gotta go through like a whole new program, or at least a half a program. And in my with my disclaimers and my request, I talk about this NARM exam, $1,000, at least $1,000, and some requirements that need to be done, some funding to get the requirements. Driving all over the country, I'm talking to someone in the Midwest, just trying to figure out how am I gonna get in a vehicle and travel to births without getting paid as a student, as a not student, all those different things. So there's a process, and I'm trying to juggle a bunch of stuff at once, and I'm gonna just do what I can do to get information at this point, because the finances aren't here and I'm missing out. I could have got grandfathered in some other programs, but I didn't have the finances for the licensing and different things, like kicking myself. So I can't go back in time, but I can talk to somebody. Peace. Oh yeah, let me know if you can hear, and I'll play back the video for a second before I upload it. Bye.